Morning guys, April 4th, 2023. This is whenever I got a call from a guy, he's got an oil burner that's tripping out on safety. It's been a couple of years since I've...
Turn left on Russell's Mills Road.
It's been a couple of years since I've been over there, and he said whatever I did last time fixed it, so... It says something about if you're playing around with a thermostat, it don't come on unless it hits the button downstairs, which is the reset on the burner. So I mean, has been a couple of years since I've did the service over there, so it probably just needs a filter nozzle type of thing, you know. But anyway, we're gonna go over there see if we get him some heat. He says he's getting frustrated with it. I'll try to get you some shots. A filter here, and then they got another filter. That's kind of odd. That doesn't even seem to be open. They got a filter here, and they got another filter here. So this red button's been tripping.
Yeah, that's one I have to keep pressing. We'll turn it back on.
And they just filled this thing.
Yep.
It's kind of odd, but we're gonna have to put new filters in for sure.
Okay.
We'll see.
Yeah, probably hasn't been changed.
It's been a couple of years, right?
Yeah, at least 3 years since you've been here.
Wow.
Yeah. I think that was in 2020.
Yeah, it's 2020. Almost. New zone head, apartment zone, new filter at tank, good oil flow, new nozzle, reset electrodes. Yeah, I remember one of those heads was bad.
That top one. Yeah.
I remember if I took it out and it blew off like a flipping gun on me.
Exactly, yeah.
You remember that?
Yeah, oh yeah. Yep.
Yeah, that's what happened. See? It blew off like
the middle one now.
See, it blew off like a flipping gun.
Yeah.
A bullet.
Yeah, it's still there. Yep.
Alright, so let me get two filters and we'll start with that.
Okay. Yeah.
Filters up here. I got the F1s on this side. And just one was an F1. And then I got an F4 on this side, which is a bigger one. And I got the gobber in the back. I'm just starting to organize my truck. I'll grab one of these things. Alright, we're going to change. That didn't seem like it was open that much. I didn't want to open. These are known to be an issue. We're going to change it. Those filters. It's been 3 years. And then we'll get it up and running and bleed it at the tank. Get it up and running and bleed it at the burner. Oh yeah. Look at that. Bio slime. Hey guy, you want to look at this? Down here, look at this. I want to show you what I'm talking about. Bio slime.
Oh, jeez.
Look at it.
No wonder why.
Look at that shit.
That's disgusting.
Isn't it? Look at it.
Yeah, I mean... Yeah,
that's that biodiesel.
Yeah. Wow. Okay, that makes perfect sense.
See it?
Yep.
I'm going to be choked.
Yeah, that's it. No flow there.
Nope.
Wow.
We're going to change both filters.
Yep.
But I'm saying this is what I've been running into.
Yeah.
This is a new shit they're using now.
Interesting.
Yeah, that's what he said.
Jesus.
Flipping.
Definitely cakes up, huh?
Yeah, it's like flipping jelly, slime.
Yeah, that's what it looks like. That's unreal.
Call it bio slime. That's
unreal. I'm assuming this one's probably just as gross.
I'm going to do both. Okay?
Yeah. All right.
I'll do both while I'm here. We'll get it up and running. We'll get a good oil flow.
Yeah.
So that's what was happening. She was just choked.
Yep. Okay. Well, that's good.
Well, years ago, I could go, 4 or 5 years, not even need to change the filter. It was fine.
So how often should these be changed?
Now, every year.
Every year.
Might have to do it every 6 months with the way this shit is.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's all new. It's all new shit coming out.
Yeah. So I should just probably keep it on calendar, schedule service.
I would do once a year.
Once a year.
That's always good because if not, the boiler could soot anyway.
Yeah, yeah.
And keep it running properly.
Yeah, so I'll put it in the calendar to call you every year.
If you were smart.
Yeah. To get that. I don't want that.
This is what happens is, say you get a hurricane or a storm or something, and you got no heat, and the guy can't get out here because the storm.
Yeah.
That's when you go to run into issues.
Yeah, for sure.
I think last time I had it was something. Oh yeah, see, this thing broke right off. I knew it was an issue with this. I can get another one out of the truck.
Okay.
I thought there was an issue with that. Oh, never a dull moment.
No.
You ever hear that saying?
A lot.
A lot, yeah. You see the piece broke off. That's a fusible link in there. That broke right off. I knew it was an issue because when I got here, it seemed to be an issue. That goes right inside there. They were known to be a problem. I got a new one. Here's the part number. There it is. Put a new one on there. That's a Firematic. If it heats up, it's supposed to melt and stop a fire. And then the stem, when I came here, the stem didn't seem to be out a lot. That might have been what our issue was too, but the filter was nasty. We're going to change the other filter too. Look at that there, that pad. Big pads. There's the handle number again. I got a pig pad for this side too. All my subscribers sent me these pig pads. See if this one stays together. I'm going to change this filter too. Open. I should shut it. I'm changing both. Let's see what we get for oil flow. Kind of odd they have two filters here. Yeah, this one's mucky too. This one's pretty mucky too. We're going to change this one. What's happening is just starving for fuel. Get a good oil flow and change the nozzle. We should be good to go. I left air in both containers. Years ago, the oil used to be clean. We didn't have to be changing filters like this. Alright. I'm sure the nozzles are fucking mess too. This is an AF burner. AFG. Crazy. It's gonna be, yeah, don't look too bad. We're gonna change it anyway. Check to see if the head's still on there and clean the carbon off. That's what we want there. Ain't crazy black, so that's good. It's probably a 75, 80 I got in this thing. 70 degrees, 75, 70. What's this, a 4-section boiler? That's what I'm running for nozzle. It was just a fuel issue. Betcha. Don't hurt to clean this stuff up. The carbon off it. I'm going to bleed the pump. There's going to be a lot of air in it. And then she should fire. I left air in both containers, so we're gonna bleed it. Alright, we'll just start it up and we'll start it up and jump it off and let it run. Zone valves should take 90 seconds to call. can shut it off. It's on an overhead line. Alright, she should fire right up now. Take this off. Bio slime. Crazy, crazy. It's all choked up, so that's good. All choked up. Alright, so filter at tank, new Fireomatic wheel at tank, filter at burner, new nozzle, good oil flow. I left the pig pads there too. Bio slime. That's what I call that shit. Look at it. It's like a flipping brown color. That's it. Biodiesel. Nothing but quality there.